Hi everyone, this is Neha. So today is part 2 of our chair session. So let's start. Now let's start with a warm up. Be comfortable on the chair. Now, so don't sit too closer to the chair with the help of the back seat. Come slightly ahead. Okay, let's start with the warm up for the neck. So 3 times each side. Inhale, exhale down and side. Continue this 2 more times. Side and side. Opposite side anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. So today we'll be mostly focusing on a little bit of a hip joint as well as a twisting postures. Okay, as we yesterday worked on our spine, today we are going to work on these areas. So how do we going to start? Now from here, lift your both the hands up straight. Exhale, mild turn to the right, to the left. So don't move your lower body, just the upper side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Last one more time. 1, 2. And drop your hands down. Okay. Now from here, get your right leg on the left knee. Just casually the way you sit on the chair generally, right? From here, keep your spine straight. Lift your hands straight forward. Inhale. Exhale. You get your chest on your thighs. Just drop your chest down on the thighs. Drop your hands down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Get your hands down. You can press your leg inside. Okay, inhale up and exhale down. Once you drop your hands down, you're going to get your leg inside. Inhale up. 2 more times. Exhale down, chest on the thigh and come up. The last one. Exhale, bend forward, stay. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up, drop your down. Now left knee is on top. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a help of the right elbow. It's always the opposite side. When your left leg is on up, take your right hand. So try to open up your chest as if you're trying to push your knee inside. Open up your hand out, look outside. So you're just opening up your both the arms and look outside. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center and release. Same thing the other side. It's a very simple one. Spine straight, hand forward. Inhale, exhale, get your chest forward and drop your hand inside. See, I'm pressing my leg inside. Drop your hand down. Inhale up. Exhale, first chest on the thigh and take your hand back. Inhale up, exhale 3, inhale up, exhale 4, inhale up and exhale down. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Now my right leg is on top. You're going to take your left hand, open up your chest in opposite direction and look outside. Close your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly hand in, release the posture. Now little intense of the same posture. Now you're going to keep your right leg bend inside. Okay. So get your knee forward. If possible, try to drop it right in front of your face. Keep your left leg on top of it. A mild version of Gomukhasana. Here when you sit down, already you should be able to feel a good stretch. Okay. Now when my right leg is forward, I am going to use my left hand and hold the edge of the chair and try to push out. It's slightly more intense stretch than the previous one. Close your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come to center. Now slowly try to hold your knee and see if you can bend forward. So don't try to bend too much, how much ever you can. So either you can hold the hand and bend forward, or you can hold your leg, whatever you're comfortable with. So I think for me right now, holding the hand of the chair is more easier. So I'm going to be here. Stay here with a good stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I guess holding the hand of the chair is much easier and more stretch. Now let's try the same thing other way around. Release, come down. Now we're going to try the same thing with another side. Get your left leg down first. And then keep the right leg on top of it. Now when my left leg is on top, I'm going to use my right hand as well as the edge of the chair. Spine straight, close your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, but continue to have a hold on the hand. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, drop your head down. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come to center and slowly release. Spine straight. Now we'll do a one simple stretch for the shoulder today. Now take your both the hands straight forward, cross over, and then palm together. Lift your elbow up, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your elbows down and release. See, this posture is an optional posture. You can do how much ever you can. Now let's try the same thing opposite side. Now cross over other way around. It's very simple. Once you cross, lift your both the hands up and then roll over. And from here, lift your elbow up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Now you can kind of feel that relaxing. Maybe your muscles have been stretched, so you can feel good, your hip joints and your legs. Now, so this was the practice for today. Practice this and do let me know how did you feel. A mild stretch for you to start your day on the chair. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.